Welcome to the world of modern deer farming, a multi-billion-dollar industry. Here, science, technology, and precision combine to produce the finest venison and velvet antler products. Inside this mega facility, every process is highly automated, efficient, and ethically managed. The process begins with advanced genetics and selective breeding programs. Elite deer are carefully chosen to ensure superior health, rapid growth, and high-quality antlers. Technicians monitor genetic data in real time to make optimal breeding decisions. Newborn calves are raised in climate-controlled nurseries. Caretakers monitor vitals, provide early nutrition, and ensure healthy development. Every action is designed to maximize welfare and growth. Automated feeding systems deliver precise diets based on each deer's data. Sensors track intake, adjust feed in real time, and maintain optimal growth rates. Deer feed calmly as machines operate efficiently around them. Veterinarian teams perform continuous health inspections using biometric scanners. AI systems track growth, detect disease, and optimize herd performance. Every animal's health is meticulously documented. RFID tags and drones monitor movement and weight. Data-driven systems ensure balanced growth, strong antlers, and robust health. This is precision deer farming at a global scale. Specialists observe velvet antlers as they grow. Non-invasive imaging ensures optimal development without stress. Antler size, shape, and health are continuously tracked. When antlers are mature, trained professionals harvest them humanely. Veterinary supervision ensures ethical handling at every step. Antlers are immediately processed to preserve quality. Harvested antlers move along conveyor systems for washing and trimming. Every piece is cleaned, sorted, and inspected for defects. Processing is fast, precise, and hygienic. Antlers enter climate-controlled drying chambers. Moisture is carefully removed, preserving nutrients and quality. Racks of antlers are rotated and monitored continuously. Healthy, mature deer are guided through automated selection gates. Selection is based on age, health, and quality data. Only the best animals proceed to the next stage. Deer are processed using humane, automated systems. Every step prioritizes speed, safety, and animal welfare. Robotic arms and skilled butchers separate hides from carcasses. Conveyor lines move products efficiently along the processing path. Cuts are accurate and consistent for quality control. Venison passes through washing tunnels and visual inspection stations. Contaminants are removed and quality is verified continuously. Every piece is safe and hygienic. Automated slicers portion venison into standardized cuts. Each portion meets market specifications and maintains freshness. Robotic and human oversight ensures precision. Portioned meat is vacuum sealed using high-speed packaging machines. Air is removed to lock in freshness, flavor, and nutrient quality. Packages are labeled and ready for storage or shipment. Finished products enter automated cold storage. Robotic shuttles store and manage inventory efficiently. Temperature and humidity are constantly monitored. Products are inspected, wrapped, and labeled for global shipping. Compliance with international standards is verified at every step. Only approved goods leave the facility. Refrigerated trucks are loaded and dispatched worldwide. Automated lifts and conveyors make loading efficient and precise. Products are tracked until they reach international markets. Finished venison and velvet antler products are displayed for inspection. Professionals examine, rotate, and present each item. The products are premium, market-ready, and reflect the future of modern deer farming.
Grade A, market ready.
Certified, ready for global shipment.